Hey everybody, in this video I actually got two Master Lock 6230s. Unfortunately they're keyed the same, but somebody just gave them to me, so I can't really complain too much. Yeah, they're brand new, fully functional and everything. And see if we can't get one picked open here. These things, if you can knock somebody out with one. Get it chucked up in the vise here. Alright, so we're in there. Zoom in a tad here. And I'm going to use double-ended tension bar. And I'm going to go bottom of the keyway on this here, and I'm going to use the long one because this keyway is actually it's recessed down in there, so the short side. And I guess it fits, but it's barely hanging in there, so I'm just going to go ahead and use the long side. And apply a little bit of light tension on it. And let me get oriented here with the camera. Okay. Let's go, so 1, 2, 3. It feels like there's only 5 in here. Actually, I don't even need to do that. I can look at the key. Oh yeah. I thought these were 6 pins for some reason. Looks like it's only 5. So, guess a little less challenging. You can say that for Master Lock. So, yeah, you can feel the hole in the back there. So it's going to be drilled 6 but keyed 5. Okay, a little counter rotation, or false set I mean on that one. Okay. I'm using a Rytan pick here. This is their fatter of the two that they make. The black handles are a little bit thicker than the blue handle ones. They're flimsy. But my HPC hook is in the other room that I like, and I don't feel like walking in there to get it, so I can just get it with this. Okay, there's a counter rotation on 3. That's 4. Okay, click on 5. Back to 1 here. 2. Nothing on 3. Another little click on 5. Back to 1 here. 2, 3, 4. So 5 is kind of weird feeling here. Back to 1 here, try. Okay, there's finally a click out of 1. Nothing on 2. 3. Okay, I gotta almost have it here. Let's see. A click out of 1. Let's click at 3. I've gotten a few different clicks out of 5, but no counter rotation, so I don't know if these things have serrated in them or not, but if it does, I might be in trouble. I'm not very good at picking serrated pins. There we go, got it. Okay, so yeah, reshaped my pick slightly with it. But it's an open, so now I'm gonna go ahead and widen back out here and go ahead and gut it. Get this thing out of the way here. And grab a pin tray. Get the camera switched up a tad here. That'll work, and it's going to be a Allen wrench here. Too small. Of having to pop the top on it to get the key out. Okay, so first pin. Okay, it's just a okay, well, I'm not having any luck with this damn key. Just give me a break here. It's like 3:30 in the morning. I should be sleeping. Okay, so that's just a regular spool pin. Nothing special. And then number 2. Okay, that is also just a spool pin. 3, oops, shit. My lap here, and 3 is also a spool pin. And spring came out. 4 is another spool pin, so we got 4 spools so far. And then 5 felt weird. I don't think 5 is a spool. Nope. 5 is actually a serrated pin. Okay, so we got, yeah, 5 is a serrated pin. Okay, so what we've got here then is these oriented correctly here. And then yeah, nothing special about the springs here, just regular springs. Okay, so what we've got on the pins then, let me just take the damn camera off the tripod. Okay, so it's just gonna be just yeah, it's just a spool, 4 spool pins, and then a serrated pin. And for some reason, I mean, I don't know why I thought these things were keyed 6, but they're not. I mean, they're drilled 6, but they aren't keyed 6. So I learned something new anyway. All right, and I guess until next time.